We are revising concepts for algebra, and in this video, we want to simplify the following fraction. So here we are given 9 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 3 to the power of x plus 1. The first thing that I want you to notice is that 9 to the power of x can be rewritten as 3 to the power of 2x. And all that we are doing is we are taking 9 and rewriting it as 3 to the power of 2. And can you see if I add an x to the 9, I simply add an x next to the 2. Next, what I want you to notice is that the numerator is a difference of 2 squares. So let's say we have y squared minus 1. If I ask you to factor that, you would say that is y minus 1 times y plus 1, because this is a difference of 2 squares. But now, in the place of y, we have 3 to the power of 2x. So all that we need to do is, instead of saying y, we can say this is 3 to the power of x minus 1 multiplied with 3 to the power of x plus 1. So that is what we do in our next step. We factorize the difference of 2 squares to have a new numerator. And what I want you to notice is that 3x plus 1 is in the numerator and 3x plus 1 is in the denominator. So these two sets of brackets will cancel out, and my final answer is 3 to the power of x minus 1. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to MatheNatic.